Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a fall inspired look. I love brown tones for fall, so I decided to go ahead and record this small tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested on seeing what I used and how I obtained this look, keep watching. Now for this look, I already did my foundation and also my eyebrows just to save some time. So what I'm going to do next is going to be just conceal my eyelids. I'm going to use the Elf Camel Concealer in medium beige. I'm going to use a Real Technique brush just like this and apply it all over my eyelids so we can go ahead and place the eyeshadow on top of that. Now that we put the concealer all over our lids, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Morphe 352 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use ORB as a transition shade, and then we're going to jump into another color. So for now, let's put ORB all over our lids. And first, I pack the color with my Morphe 441. We're going to go ahead and blend out everything once we've applied the eyeshadow. Now with the same Real Techniques brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply the transition shade, which it doesn't really have a name on here, but I'm using the Wet n Wild Naughty Basic Peach palette. I'm going to use the shade all the way in the bottom, and I'm going to apply this one all over my lid and then blend it out with the shade that we already have. Now in the same Wet n Wild palette, there is a dark brown right here. We're going to go ahead and use this and put it on top, just on top of the eyelash line, so it looks like a black eyeliner, but we're going to use brown powder to make this look effortlessly. For the eyes, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go ahead and add mascara and eyelashes and come back, and you guys are going to see how different this is going to look, and then we're going to finish off the face. Now we have our eyelashes on and also mascara. We're going to go ahead and finish the face, and we'll jump back into the eyes one more time. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible concealer to go ahead and clean up under here. I only have foundation on, so we have to go ahead and clean up and conceal underneath. This is in the shade Toffee by L'Oreal, one of the best concealers that the drugstore carries in my opinion. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with this Morphe brush and M536. With a smaller brush like this one from Real Technique, I'm going to go in a little closer to the eye and clean out the eyeshadow. So it's kind of straight on this edge. Now that we added the Toffee one from L'Oreal, I'm going to go in a little bit with a lighter one. This is the one from MAC. Now I'm going to go ahead and set. I'm going to use this Becca translucent powder that I have. It looks so white on camera. It doesn't look that white here, but it's not a tinted loose powder. That's why it looks so white. I'm not going to let it sit on my face for a long time because the foundation that I use, the L'Oreal, it's actually very matte. So I don't want to dry my face out more. Now for bronzer, we're going to use this City Bronzer in the shade 300 by Maybelline, one of my favorites at the drugstore. And we're going to be using this Elf brush, and it's the Flawless Face Brush. Elf has some of the best brushes. This was only $6, and honestly, a lot of the brushes I've been using lately have to be from Elf. I've been impressed on how soft they are. It's the way they apply and blend the product to your face. I don't think a lot of people give Elf credit for their brushes. They're super underrated. I've been loving them. If you haven't yet, try them out. Now to add even more color to the face, we're going to use this Milani Rose Dior blush and a Real Techniques brush, and just go ahead and apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so we're pretty much done with today's look. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to use this NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I'm going to also go ahead and add some highlighter, which I'm going to use this Elf brush. It's a fan brush, and we're just going to put the highlighter all over the nose and my cheekbones. I'm going to use Bubbly from the palette. Now the last thing is going to be lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and use Las Olas by Ofra Cosmetics, which is a liquid lipstick, and then an LA Girl lip liner, and apply this all over. That's it for this fall look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!